The space race, a journey to the stars. The space race stands as one of the most thrilling chapters in human history. This period of intense competition between the U.S. and the Soviet Union, spanning from the late 1950 to the early 1970, not only showcased technological advancements, but also highlighted the geopolitical rivalry of the Cold War era. Let's dive into the key moments and achievements that defined the space race, and its lasting impact on our world. The dawn of the space age. The space race began in earnest on October 4, 1957, when the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite to orbit the Earth. This milestone sent shockwaves through the United States, which feared falling behind in technological and military capabilities. In response, the U.S. ramped up its efforts in space exploration, leading to the creation of NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, in 1958. Milestones and firsts. 1. Yuri Gagarin's historic flight. On April 12, 1961, Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin became the first human to journey into outer space and orbit the Earth aboard Vostok 1. His achievement was a significant victory for the Soviet Union and marked a pivotal moment in the space race. 2. John Glenn's orbit. The United States made its own historic leap on February 20, 1962, when astronaut John Glenn orbited the Earth 3 times aboard Friendship 7. This achievement bolstered American confidence and demonstrated the U.S.'s growing capabilities in space. 3. The moon landing. Perhaps the most iconic moment of the space race occurred on July 20, 1969, when NASA's Apollo 11 mission successfully landed the first humans on the moon. Astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin walked on the lunar surface, with Armstrong famously declaring, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." This achievement not only fulfilled President John F. Kennedy's ambitious goal, but also marked a decisive victory for the United States in the space race. Technological and scientific advancements. The space race spurred incredible technological advancements and scientific discoveries. Both nations developed powerful rockets, sophisticated spacecraft, and cutting-edge technologies that have had lasting impacts beyond space exploration. Innovations in materials science, telecommunications, and computer technology, many of which were driven by space research, continue to benefit society today. The legacy of the space race. The space race left a profound legacy, fostering international cooperation and inspiring generations to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM. The Apollo-Soyuz test project in 1975, where American and Soviet spacecraft docked in orbit, symbolized a shift from competition to collaboration, paving the way for future joint ventures like the International Space Station (ISS). For more fascinating stories and historical insights, subscribe to Web Whisper and stay tuned for our next video.